Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. As you may well have heard, the number of people catching coronavirus has started rising again in lots of countries, and in England we're no exception. The other day I was sitting with my daughter having breakfast when we heard the announcement that from a few days after that, from last Monday, the government's going to restrict the number of people who can gather in one house to 6 at a maximum. This also applies to public gatherings in parks, in other public spaces and so on. My daughter looked quite shocked when she heard this and said, "So what about schools?" And I had to tell her, no, schools are fine, you can carry on going to school. "What about pubs or restaurants?" "No, that's also okay apparently. You can gather in large groups of people so long as you're spending money." My daughter looked a bit bemused by all of this and said, "That doesn't make much sense to me." And to be honest, it doesn't make much sense to me either. However, this doesn't surprise me because the British government's approach to handling the coronavirus has been shambolic. It's been a disaster from the get-go. If you say from the get-go, you mean from the very beginning, from the start, from right at the beginning of the process. For example, with my children who are mixed race and have mixed heritage, from the get-go I've always told them to never let anybody tell them they're not English. The fact that they've got a Chinese Indonesian mother doesn't make them less English, it makes them English plus. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples or see examples of how you might use from the get-go.